Hocine, I couldn't help but come and join you at the Red Robin Media. What is this, a ramen bar?
Not really. No, it's a Japanese concept.
Oh.
Japanese is very trendy now.
Yeah.
And in our case, we think we could create kind of a DIY product. After the COVID, it was crazy. The DIY, everybody wants to do something. And we thought that maybe for adults and older kids and adults, think would be a good idea to have some DIY products. Something you have to build yourself, create, and we thought, and license is very strong. And actually, anime is fantastic. And anime, when you think about anime and gaming, means Naruto, One Piece, Minecraft. We thought that could be a great concept to launch this product on the market.
Well, you're so on trend. I mean, one of our trends this year is anime and friends, so you couldn't be more on theme if you tried, Hocine, really. And the products as well from Keto Art, the dioramas are absolutely gorgeous. To say these come in like little flat pack wood kits, right?
Yes.
You put them together. The level of detail that you've been able to achieve is incredible. And I've got to say, I'm obsessed with the One Piece ships. They are so nice.
Thank you.
So were you working with Keto Art for a long time to get this product together?
In fact, it's our brand.
Yeah, okay.
We built the brand and we start 2 years ago for this kind of product because we do a lot of things. Red Robin Design, we do many things, stationery, bags and school items. But we thought it could be a great idea to bring something on the market, surf on the anime trend, which is very strong at the moment. And we also think if you touch the adult and older people, we have to be very detailed. It's important to have something. Look, for example, the house here, you need 5, 6, 10 hours to build it.
Really?
It's a great gift for kids and parents all together,
Yeah.
The boat, you need almost 4 hours to build the boat.
I love it. But you're bang on the money. With the kiddos, we love the details, right?
Very important.
Craft. It's so really nice.
And then they collect them. This is the idea.
I mean, you kidding me? You look at that collection.
Yeah, fantastic, no?
I want that in my office. That looks incredible. It looks so good.
Thank you.
So how many years have you been coming to Spielwarenmesse?
Oh shit, man! I don't want to give my age. No, almost since 1989.
No, really?
Yes, different things.
It's incredible.
In different area.
And I mean, what keeps bringing you back to Spielwarenmesse then?
You know what? First of all, it's as I said, the vibe. The vibe is fantastic at Spielwarenmesse. And on top, you meet everybody from all over the world. Look, we have here come American, Australian, German, Brazil, Chinese, Japan. Everybody stop by. It's the best place, in my opinion, to meet everybody on the industry. This is my opinion.
And hey, we share that opinion. And thank you for bringing the vibe to Spielwarenmesse.
Thank you.
It's not an official award that can be given out, but I think that you're in the running for best looking stand.
Thank you.
Absolutely.
Appreciate it.
That's my opinion.
Thank you, guys.